Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't watched my last video, I would highly recommend you to check it out before you watch this video. In my last video, I explained that how international students can apply for Millwright certificate, and I also explained that what trade equivalency assessment is, why it is important, and why you should apply for it when you are still studying. So trust me, it will save your time a lot, and it will give you a big head start once you complete your study. Now in today's video, we are going to take the next step. I will walk you through how to fill out the Skill Trade Ontario application form and also work experience verification form. These two forms are really important because without these two forms, you cannot apply for the Millwright certificate. So before I explain you how to fill out the application form, I want you to first download the competency analysis profile. And to do that, just click on the Trade Equivalency Assessment Application Guide. Once you are in Skill Trade Ontario Guide, scroll down and look for your trade name and code. In my case, it is Industrial Mechanic Millwright. And then click on the Training Standard. And then again scroll down and look for Competency Analysis Profile. So here it is, and this document is generally list of skills that a Skill Trade Ontario is looking for. You need to make sure that at least 80% of skills are clearly mentioned either in your work experience letter or in reference letter. In the Trade Qualifier Application Form, you will see section A, where you will have to provide your personal and contact information. For your understanding, I have just written some random information. After that, you have to provide details about your trade and experience information. In my case, it is Industrial Mechanic Millwright 433A. You also have to mention the name of the country from where you have gained this experience. After that, in section B, you have to provide your employer's detail. Give details as much as possible as this is extremely important. Once again scroll down and here mention all the documents that you have attached in your application. In my case, I have attached the following documents. Now finally you will see the fee section. Click on the box of the payment method you are going to use. So now let's look at the work experience verification form. At the top, you will start by writing your personal information. Once you have done that, scroll down and you will see the section where you have to provide your employer's detail. So here is the important part. You can't just fill this out by yourself. You need to send this form to your employer so they can complete their section and they will have to sign and stamp on it. Once they have done that, they will have to send this form back to you. So without their signature and stamp, this form would not be valid. So this was the overview of both the forms, the application form and the work experience verification form. Once you have filled out both the forms and gathered all the documents, after that you can submit them to Skill Trade Ontario. Remember, this step will determine that whether you are eligible for Millwright or not. So please take your time and make sure all the information is accurate and you don't give them any chance for rejection. If you found this video helpful, please like it and share it with someone who is also preparing for Millwright. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel so you don't miss the next video.